about indoor camping. I've made a little den here and we're going to be making some food and reading a story and toasting marshmallows all inside so that you can do it at home. How cool is that? We are going to make a solar oven which you can put at a window or you can do in the garden. Okay, so first of all we are going to make our little solar oven. You're going to need a box and it just needs to be thin like this. A pizza box is perfect, but any box that is thin like this one. And then you're going to make sure that one bit can completely shut. So I'm going to shut these bits in. Cut along the two sides at the top. So really that is all I've done. I've made a pizza box. So just make sure that the bottom bit is completely sealed up and then we'll start. Ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make it reflective because this is a solar oven, which means the light is going to be the thing that heats up. So we're going to use something shiny. We're going to cover this in tin foil. Now, I also have some bamboo skewers, and what we're going to use these for are holding it up. So it will go in one corner and the other corner when we have something in it. And that is how simple this oven is. Shall we make something to put in it? So first thing we're going to make in our solar oven are pizzas, but we're going to make them with tortilla wraps, okay, because then the base is already perfect to use. Then I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce, and that's going to be my base. And then you're going to grate some cheese on top. There is my pizza. So I'm going to put that in my solar oven right in the middle so that it will catch the sun. Put my sticks in and then put it where the sun is shining the brightest. Okay, now it's time for dessert. Let's just move this over a minute. So we are going to need some squares of chocolate, marshmallows, and then a biscuit. I have used rich tea biscuits here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my biscuits, I'm going to put my marshmallows on 2 of them, and I'm going to put the chocolate on the other two. And then you leave this. Let's put our cocktail sticks in. You leave this in direct sunlight and it will slowly toast our marshmallows and melt our chocolate. Now I suggest that you do this early morning and get the full rays of sunshine for lunchtime, and you might be able to have them mid-afternoon, but this is a really yummy way to make s'mores. First thing we're going to do is do some toasted marshmallows on our fire. Would you like one? Here you go. One for me. Oh, lovely. Nice and toasty by our campfire. Is it ready? Oh, it's hot. My one's ready. I've just checked on my pizza and look at this. It's perfect. Be careful because it is quite hot. Would you like some? So cheesy. Our s'mores are ready too. Look at these. I've just sandwiched them together. Wow. So melty. Let's have a story. This is called Jesus Tells a Story. Jesus was a great storyteller. Are you ready? Jesus often told stories. You can read them in God's book, the Bible. One day, began Jesus, a man set out on a walk to Jericho. It was long and dangerous. On the way, some robbers attacked him and took everything he had. The robbers hurt the man and left him laying on the ground. In a while, a priest came along. Oh dear, he thought, that man is hurt, but I have important things to do for God. I can't help him. A little later, a lawyer came past. Oh dear, he thought, that man is hurt. But I have important things to do for God and I can't help him. A little later, a man from Samaria came along. Oh dear, the Samaritan thought, that man is hurt, but he's a Jew who hates us. But all the same, he stopped and he took care of the man and took him somewhere safe. Now, said Jesus, who really did something for God? What an amazing story. It was the Samaritan, wasn't it, who actually was kind to this poor man. We have learnt something this morning. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed seeing what creative things you can do in your house as a little staycation and camping in your front room. Maybe you could even sleep in it. I'd love to see what you've been doing. Make sure you share it. Guys, everything that we have made this morning in our solar oven can be made in the grill or in the oven, and it doesn't take very long. But if you want to have a go at this really cool solar oven, please do. It was so much fun to make. And also, we do still have our competition open. Send your entries in. We love seeing them. See you next week.